Hello, this is IK Tutors, and we are doing a high school assessment requested by one of our clients, question number 20. So we're answering question number 20. This is for the section of decimals, read and round. So the question states, in one season, the top four players of a major league team had batting averages of .332, .361, .343, and .368. They're going to say which is the highest average. Well, these are all decimal numbers, and we can compare them very easily if we put them in a place value table and we look at the highest place value, right? So for all these numbers, the highest place value that has a digit in it is the 1/10 place value. We see that right here, right? So the thing about this, however, is that they're all threes. So since they're all the same number, if we want to see which one is the highest number, we have to go to the next highest, which is the 100th place, which is right here. And then we start to see some differences. Okay, so we see that 3, 6, 4, and 6. There are the 6 is larger than the 3 and the 4. So that means that these two numbers, these two decimals, are larger than the other two. Okay. And how do we know that? Let's go over a quick example of how the place value system works, and that'll kind of explain it. So if I have the number 25, right, and the place value of the 2 and the 5 is such that the 2 is in a tens place and the 5 is in a ones place, right? Then I would read this as I have 2 tens, or 2 times 10, which gives us 20, right? And 5 ones, or 5 times 1, that gives us 5. So you can see that if I have 2 tens, for one, if the place value is higher, and I have a number 2 times that, then that's going to tell me that that's a larger number than something that was just 5 ones. 5 times 1 is only 5, right? So in the same way, we can tell by looking at the place values, which is a larger decimal, right? Since 1/10 had all the same values, we look at the next largest place value, which is 1/100, and look for the largest digits there. And we see the largest digit here is 6. Two of the numbers have 6 in it. So now we're going to look to try to discern between those two, which is larger, by going to the next largest place value. And we see that which is 1,000, which is right here, and see comparing those two numbers again. And we see that 8 is 1 for the 361, and there's 8 for the 368. And since the digit 8 is larger than the digit 1, that means that it's this number here, 0.368, that's the largest. And that means that the highest average is with the batting average is with the player that has a batting average of 0.368. So 0.368 would be the answer. The player that has a batting average of 0.368 has the highest batting average. And that's it. So I hope this helped. If it does, if it did, please remember to like and subscribe so that we can continue to provide these helpful videos. And I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.